immune response is based on adaptive immunity. The organs in our bodies that provide the products of immunity and the delivery network of these products are parts of the lymphatic system, which includes the lymph vessels, the lymph node, the spleen, and the thymus. They are located in places where foreign antigen enters the body through the skin, airways, and gastrointestinal tract. There are body cells that react to protect us against infections or antigens are leukocytes, which are also known as white blood cells. There are two important sets of white blood cells: the phagocytic cell, which are monocytes, macrophage, and neutrophils. And the other sets are the lymphocytes, which are the T cells and the B cells. There are two types of immune responses. The non-specific immune response, which is the innate immunity, and the specific, which is adaptive immunity. We'll focus on the adaptive immunity. Under it, there are two components: the humoral immunity and the cell-mediated immunity. Okay, let's discuss the cell-mediated immunity. Basically, the cell-mediated immunity involves the T cell which maturates in the thymus glands and enter the bloodstream and lymph as helper T cells and cytotoxic T cells. When an antigen enters the body, it associates with the MHC protein. It binds with it, and an APCs presents them to the T cell. Basically, APCs can be macrophage or a monocyte. When it's presented to the T cell, it informs the T cell that there is a pathogen that has entered the body. When this T cell binds to the antigen with its antigen receptor, it creates a complex known as the antigen MHC complex. It will cause the T cell to be activated. The activated T cell will undergo proliferation and differentiation to form T cell clone. The T cell clone got effector cells and the memory cells. The memory cells will remember the antigen in future, and the effector cells will go to the infected target cell and eliminate it. On antibody-mediated immunity, basically here the B cell produces antibodies to carry out the immune responses. When a foreign antigen enters the body, it activates the B cell in the lymph or a spleen. That B cell will be activated, and it will interact with the antigen together with the MHC protein. That antigen MHC complex will be recognized by the T cell. The T cell will go and attach to the MHC complex with its binder. It will cause this B cell to be activated, and it will go proliferation and differentiation to produce plasma cells and memory cells. The memory cells will remember the antigen in future. The plasma cells will produce specific antibodies that will go back to the circulation to reach the sites of infection. They will bind to the infected target cell, causing opsonization. Then a phagocytic cell will come and phagocytose that cell. After it is phagocytosed, it will be eliminated. Thank you.